Hey guys, I'm Ryan Raymond, and tonight I'm going to discuss the Merchant Former Merchant module to show you how you can search for merchant names to find all of the shirts associated with that brand name. And thank you to the Merchant Former people for setting up an awesome discount just for this audience. You're not going to be able to get this anywhere else. If you go to ryanaraymond.com/mi yearly, you're going to save 87% on your annual Merchant Former Pro subscription. All right. So when you're in Merchant Former, if you come in here and you start at the top, you're going to see this icon with two little people, and it's going to say Merchant Search, and it's going to bring up this module. So for this case, how this will work is you can type in any brand, Ryan A. Raymond. So let's say I wanted to look for my shirts. I would just type in my brand. It's going to run a search and look for all t-shirts that match that brand name. All right. And you can see my official Beard Chest Pocket logo, Eat, Sleep, Merch, Repeat, a Value Bomb shirt, my Beard Face logo, a Get Started t-shirt, RAR, Ryan A. Raymond, kind of just like a designer logo, just kind of a generic t-shirt designer t-shirt. And those are the ones that we made on my merch store the other day, which you can get at ryanaraymond.com/merch if you want to check it out. We built an Amazon branded store with that video. But this is how the merchant search works. You just type in any brand name. So let's say I wanted to use my normal brand here that I've used many times in the videos. I just type it in, and here we are. We have our results. So we just typed in my normal name brand that I use on a lot of my designs, and here's what it's going to give you. We'll look at the results data. It's showing me that there's 131 total results with the lowest price of $13.85, $25.89 for the highest price with an average price of $19.24, and an average bestsellers rank of 3,039,327. And this is in the category of Merch by Amazon shirts. Now it's going to show me the most commonly used keywords in this niche: perfect, design, funny, gift, great, novelty merch, graphic, family, fit, this kids love, nurse, people, men, makes. So it's giving all of the keywords that are commonly used throughout my listings. And you will be able to then see what is selling well for that brand name. There's lots of different use cases for this. If you wanted to kind of get it, if you saw someone and you're like, man, I always see this brand name, and you just kind of wanted to learn what they're doing. Now, don't come here and make what shirts they are making, but you can use this to learn to see what they're leveraging that is working for them and how you can apply this to your business. All right, guys, and that's the merchant search module. And if you haven't yet, visit ryanaraymond.com/mi yearly to save 87% off your Merchant Former yearly subscription. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.